What is up, fellas? So in this IPcook tutorial review video, I'm going to be walking you through this website right here called IPcook. We're going to be going over exactly how to set up the proxies and everything you need to know when it comes to IPcook.com. So first off, you can come over to IPcook.com right here, or you can click on the first link down in the description. Once you click on that link, you're going to be redirected straight to this website right here called IPcook. So as you can see right here, it says fast proxies, smart pricing, and premium performance. And if you hover onto solutions right here, you're going to see all the use cases of the proxies. Okay, so you can use this for your social media, e-commerce, web scraping, and all those stuff. Okay, so to get started, the first thing you want to do is to click over here where it says start for free, and once you click on that, you're going to be redirected straight to the sign up page. Okay, and you can sign up using your email and password, or you can sign up using your Google account. Okay, so go ahead and sign up for your IPcook account, and once you do, you want to log in into your account. So basically, this is how exactly this inside of your IPcook dashboard is going to look like. And once you sign up, you're going to get a free 100 MB that you can actually use to try this proxy out. Okay, so first off, you're going to have to top up a little bit of money. I myself already have about $4 inside of my IPcook account, but in your case, this is going to be $0. So just go ahead and click on top up on the top, and once you click on that, you are going to be redirected straight to the top up page. Okay, so first off, you want to fill out the amount you want to recharge. So let's say I want to recharge $30 as an example. I can do that here. Once I fill out the amount I want to recharge, next thing I want to do is to go ahead and select a payment method. So you can actually fund your account with crypto, local payments, and Skrill. But in this case, I'm going to do crypto, and I'm going to go ahead and click on continue to pay. And once you click on continue to pay, you're going to be redirected straight to the payment page. And from here, you just want to go ahead and top up your account using crypto. So in this case, I can top up my account using USDT, and also I can go ahead and select the network here. Let's say TRC20. And after that, all I have to do is to click on proceed to payment. And from here, I want to go ahead and send money to the crypto wallet and actually top up my proxy account. It's that simple. So once you top up your account, you want to go ahead and purchase a proxy. So to purchase a proxy, you're going to have to click on the buy proxy section on the top left hand corner here. And once you click on that, you're going to be redirected straight to the proxy page. Okay, you can purchase residential proxy, ISP proxy, and you can also purchase data center proxies. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be purchasing a residential proxy. So for that, I'm going to click on residential here, and from here I want to scroll down real quick. Okay, so from here you're going to see all the proxy prices that they have. So the pricing starts at 5 cents per gigabyte. Okay, so the more proxy you buy, the lesser you pay per gigabyte. But in this case, I'm going to be going for the basic option right here. Okay, so for the basic option, you're going to have to pay $3 per gigabyte. So I'm going to be going with this one, and over here you're going to see all the package you get. So in this case, I'm going to be going with the basic option. I'm going to go ahead and click on buy now right here, and once I click on buy now, it's going to load up this window here. So from here, the next thing I want to do is to scroll down, and over here is the available payment method to purchase the proxy. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on the balance option here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on continue to pay. Okay, so as you can see, it's a success, and over here you can see I have successfully purchased 1 gigabyte from IPcook. Okay, so now we've purchased the proxy. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up these proxies. Okay, so to do that, I want to go ahead and click over here where it says manage proxies and click on sub accounts. Okay, so from here you want to go ahead and create a sub account. So I'm going to click on add sub account here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a username. So I'm going to do test user 900 accounts. Okay, and for the password, I'm going to do test password 15. Okay, and after that, I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to allocate traffic to this sub account. So I'm going to do 1 gigabyte here, and after that, I'm going to need to add a remark to this. So for that, I'm going to be like test, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here. Okay, so once you have a sub account, the next thing you need is to go ahead and set up a proxy. So for that, click over to set up proxies here and click on residential proxies. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and set up your parameters. Okay, so first you want to choose your country. So I can click on this drop down arrow here and select any country I want, but in this case I'm going to leave it at the United States right here. Okay, which is the US. And next I'm going to go ahead and select a city. So I'm going to click on the drop down arrow here, and I'm going to do, let's say, Alabama, and I'm going to do a random city in Alabama. So I'm going to do this one right here. After that, you want to go ahead and select your proxy protocol. So click on this drop down arrow here and set this on SOCKS 5, depending on the one you want to use. So you can use HTTP or SOCKS 5, but in this case, I'm going to do SOCKS 5. After that, you're going to have to set your rotation. So I'm going to click on the drop down arrow here, and I'm going to put this on sticky proxy. So you can go ahead and set this on randomized IP, or you can set this on sticky proxies. But I personally prefer sticky proxies, so the IP address is going to be more consistent. Okay, so after that, I want to click on the drop down arrow here, and I'm going to put put this on hours, and I'm going to do 24 hours. Okay, so it's very simple to set this up, and if you have any issues, you can easily come over here, click on contact us, and contact these guys and write to them that you have issues here and send it to them, and they're going to actually swing in and help you out. So you don't have to worry if this is getting a little bit complicated. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and I'm going to proceed with the video. Okay, so after this, you want to scroll down here, and over here you are going to see that you need a sub account. That's why we created a sub account earlier, because if you don't have a sub account, you can't actually proceed with these steps. Okay, so basically these are sub account here, these are our proxy username, and these are proxy password. That's why we needed a sub account. Okay, so next we want to scroll down here, and we want to go ahead and select the quantity of the proxies we need. So in this case, I'm just going to do one proxy, and I'm going to go ahead and click on generate, and over here you're going to see it has successfully generated one IP address for me. But in your case, you can go ahead and select any quantity you want. So once you have your proxy here, you can go ahead and copy this, or you can go ahead and download this. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and test this out inside of an anti-detect browser. So the anti-detect browser that I'm going to be using in this video is this one right here called BitBrowser. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in the second link down in the description. So once you are here, just go ahead and sign up for a free account, and you can actually get started for free because they offer 10 free browser profiles. Okay, so you can easily come over here, click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you're going to be redirected straight to the sign up page. So from here, just fill out your username, password, repeat your password again, and after that, fill out your email address. And once you fill out your email address, they're going to send you a 6-digit code. Paste that in here, and after that, you want to go ahead and check this box if you agree to the terms of service, and click on sign up, or you can sign up using your Google account. Okay, so once you sign up to your account, you want to go ahead and download this browser. Okay, so for that, head back to the home page, and once you're here, go ahead and click on download on the top, and once you click on download, you want to go ahead and download this on the device you're using. So in my case, I can go ahead and click on download here because I'm on a Windows PC, and after that, you want to go ahead and launch your browser. So basically, once you launch BitBrowser, it's going to look something like this, and from here, you're going to need to log into your account using the details you used in signing up for your BitBrowser account. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on login here. And from here, I want to go ahead and set up my browser profile. Okay, so ignore all the complicated buttons that set up and click over here where it says browser profiles. Okay, and once you click on that, you are going to need to set up your browser profile. Okay, so click on add on the top here, and once you click on add, you're going to need to give your browser profile name. So I can be like test, and after that, ignore all the complicated setup, scroll all the way down and set up your proxy. Okay, so click on this drop down arrow right here on the proxy type section. I set this on socks 5, and once you do, you want to go ahead and paste in the information you copied from this website right here. You want to go ahead and copy your proxy once again, and you want to go ahead and paste that inside of the host section right here. Okay, and click on the blank section here, and it's going to automatically fill out everything for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on check proxy here, and we are going to actually test out the proxy. So as you can see, it's a valid proxy, and we are connected to Alabama right here, and you can come over here and click on confirm, and once we click on confirm, our browser profile is going to be created. So this is actually our brand new browser profile. As you can see, this is the test profile here. You can easily come over here and click on open, and our browser profile is going to be launched. Okay, so as you can see, our browser profile is successfully launched, and as you can see right here, we are connected to Alabama right here. And if I come over to a website like Pixel Scan right here, you're going to see that it says our IP looks good. Okay, and no maxing detected, and as you can see, this is a pretty decent IP address. Okay, this is a pretty decent IP address. So I'm going to wrap this up here because I've pretty much shown you exactly how to use this proxy. Smash thumbs up button if you got value out of the video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and sub to the channel. And with that said, I'm going to talk to every single one of you all in the next video. Peace.